Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Artdot. They did send me this item for review, so thank you to Artdot. So this is a big diamond painting storage case. This is the XL. No, I think it's the XX large size storage container they have here. It's massive. Like, I'm probably going to have to move you up just so you can see the whole thing. So in case you want to see, before I start opening things, because once I start opening it sometimes is hard to put things back in. This thing is a little bit more than 16 inches by 12.5 inches, and height is about 7 inches. So now in centimeters, that's more like 18 centimeters. This would be heavy once you actually have drills in it. By about 41.5 centimeters by, oops, I'm off camera. That's how big this thing is. By 32 centimeters. So let's open this here. It's supposed to have 420 bottles. Okay, let's do, before we start counting bottles, let's look at the accessories there is. So it's so big, you could, I don't know if you can see, there is a, slot here to put stuff in. But let's look at the accessories. Comes with one of these. To keep the moisture, I guess, away. Comes with a funnel. So for these funnels, these do work really well with the bottles, but I recommend actually cutting them smaller so that it's not too heavy and causes the bottle to topple over. That's plenty big enough, and I do use these. As you can see, I have one already cut over there. I do use them to help fill the bottles easier. And then there's some labels. 2 sheets of labels. So four pens with multiple multi-placers. There. Some baggies. 2 green trays. More labels here, several plates of wax, one of the big white boats, and a straightener tool. Oh, and there's some black tweezers. I've noticed a lot of storage containers now come with accessories and labels. That's probably why I haven't had to buy labels. Okay, so now let's get back into this here. So there is a lot of bottles. A lot of bottles here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 140 in the one foam container here. So that does seem like it's, so you could pick this up too. So 140 bottles. And let's see. Do I close this first before I open the next thing? All right. Ooh, more deactivated charcoal here. Yep. So I'm gonna move you this way so that it shows up on camera better. And then I'm guessing this is another 140. And they are all the bigger bottles here. And they are screw-top bottles. And then I know there's another layer of 140 here. So, yes. So this is supposed to have 420 bottles. And I do have plans for this. I'm gonna do a Max Color Heaven and Earth Designs. This actually is a lot. Actually, I only have like 230 something colors in my Max Color one. So then I could kit up like, you know, like the Heaven and Earth Designs have normally like 89 colors. You could kit up one whole one in just one of these and just have one of these out. Because I probably will only need, so I could probably kit up my Max Color Heaven and Earth Designs and another one on the bottom row. So, ooh, I could put in the two in the Max Color one and then another one in the other one. So, in case you kind of want to see how big this is compared to bottle cases that you might have. So here is a 60 bottle case. Yeah, looks like a baby. Looks like a baby next to it. And here's one of the 120 bottle cases, but you know, it's bigger. See, so it's actually almost as tall as one of these cases. And so there you go. So it's pretty big. Oh, and also, let's see. It's supposed to be able to fit one of these 30 by 40 diamond paintings. I actually have a couple diamond paintings from Artdot. So this cat one, and then this one, well, the cat one and the cow one here. I'm just trying to think, I was like, it's so big, how do I show it to the camera? And they should hopefully fit in here. So yeah, here, you could kit up like this diamond painting has 26 colors, so you could kit up like 4 diamond paintings on just one row here, and then another 4 then, and another 4. So yeah, if you are a serial kitting upper, you could kit up a whole bunch of 30 by 40s, and then if you're one of those ones that gets bored with a diamond painting and have to work on something else, you have another one. So yeah, it's huge. But yeah, like I said, I was planning to do, will one of these fit in here? Okay, so I'm planning to do my Heaven and Earth Designs one, and since I've been doing them on, been printing out the pattern and diamond painting directly onto the pattern. I just need a place to keep the pages, and I think I could use this to keep the pages in there too. So yeah, there is this ginormous storage container, and like I said, if you need some vision to see how big this thing is compared to a normal 60 bottle case. See, it's so big I can't show the whole thing. There you go. There is how big this is a 120 bottle case. So here's a 60 bottle case. Yeah. Alright, so that's all I'm showing right now. Be on the lookout in the future. I will be kitting up something in here. I could probably kit up a second diamond painting in here too. I just don't have one yet. So I just have to find that next one I was gonna do. But yeah, that's all I have for today. So thank you very much to Artdot for oh wait, I forgot to tell you. This thing right now is $89.99. Which for 420 bottles, so that's 420 divided by 60 is 7 of the 60 bottle cases. It's actually a pretty good price. It just seems high, but it's like I said, there's 7 60 bottles cases in this thing. So all right, so that's all I have. So thank you very much to Artdot for sending this item for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!